Hey, this is Silas. Welcome back to Tech Tuesday. Hey guys, welcome back to Tech Tuesday. This is Matthew, and today we're going to talk about the difference between hybrid and electric benders. Now, this is a question we get a lot, so let's discuss the differences. First, the all-electric bender. No hydraulics, just precision servo motor control. What that means for you: extremely accurate positioning, very repeatable parts, and super smooth motion. These machines shine when you're running production parts, where every bend has to match the last one perfectly. The very first thing your operators are going to notice is it's quiet. Now, let's talk about the hybrid bender. A hybrid uses electric servo control for positioning and feeding, but still uses hydraulics for heavy lifting force. In simple terms, electric brains, hydraulic muscles. These are great for heavier wall materials, larger diameters, and jobs where brute strength matters just as much as precision. So how do you choose? All electric. Best for high volume production, tight tolerances, and repeatability. Hybrid. Best for heavy material, larger tubing, and shops that want power with flexibility. Here's the easy way to think about it. An all-electric machine is a precision instrument that will allow you precise control through every bend, whereas a hybrid machine is something that really has the brute force and strength you need to push it through the bends. So here at UTE, we actually match the machine to what you need, not just what sounds good or what's the most expensive. We want to make sure we get the right thing for our customers. And I'll see you guys next Tech Tuesday.